Say, it looks like your business is going well. But let's take a closer look. Your workers don't want to be bothered with routine maintenance. And when machines aren't maintained, or when they're so dirty you can't even read the gauges, well, things go wrong. And if your company's approach is to wait until something breaks, do a quick repair, and then go right back into operation, eventually you'll have bigger problems, like long amounts of downtime throughout the company just to replace one small part. And that's where Total Productive Maintenance, or TPM, comes in. TPM is the lean approach to improving the manufacturing process, combining the traditional practice of preventive maintenance with total quality control and total employee involvement. TPM is not just an improvement program for maintenance staff only, or a program to only cosmetically improve machines. It is an organization-wide equipment improvement strategy which focuses on eliminating the major equipment-related losses. There are many approaches to TPM. At 4 Principles, we've identified 7 pillars to ensure a practical, sustainable approach. It all begins with knowing your equipment's history. Instead of finding out how your equipment works only when it fails, we help your team build a database for each piece of equipment based on supplier recommendations and the operating conditions. So there's no guesswork. Your employees gain the skills and knowledge to know exactly what to maintain and when, and how long it will take if a part fails. Once the database is built, the processes have to be standardized, validating the key parameters and set points for each product. And then detailed training begins on how to measure the process, identify losses, and put in place solutions that will improve the process. We then begin planned maintenance, where routine maintenance is scheduled with actions, maintaining each part of the machine at recommended intervals to improve machine performance. Keeping the equipment clean is part of the procedure. Each team member is responsible for a clean, safe work environment. Regular cleaning can detect faults at an early stage, avoiding sudden breakdowns or bigger problems in the future. Spare parts are analyzed based on consumption and past purchases, so the spare parts that wear out often are always accessible. And once the system is set up, we take a pit stop approach to trial standard operating procedure tasks. We analyze what is and what isn't working, and key process indicators are monitored and managed to continuously improve the process. So, with TPM, breakdowns and machine speed and quality problems are reduced. And when things do go wrong, we don't have wasted time, missing parts, and idle workers. We have an efficient system in place where everyone owns his role in the implementation. These 7 pillars, along with the continuous improvement process, will help you achieve total productive maintenance. To find out more, contact us today. Let us show you what TPM can do for your business.
Just-in-time inventory, commonly referred to as JIT, is an inventory management strategy that aligns raw material delivery to specific production cycles so that materials arrive as production is scheduled but no sooner. This ensures there's only enough stock to produce what's needed when it's needed, with the goal of achieving high-volume production with minimal inventory on hand and eliminating waste. A just-in-time strategy works well for businesses that use a make-to-order model. However, keeping just enough product on hand means a business may not be able to meet unexpected demand. Therefore, businesses using a just-in-time strategy need to meticulously plan their production processes, fine-tune visibility into their supply chain, and ensure demand forecasting is accurate. Done successfully, just-in-time inventory strategies lower inventory costs, minimize warehouse needs, improve efficiencies, and decrease waste, all of which help to increase business profitability.
visualize the workflow. For a start, all a team needs is a whiteboard with 3 columns: to do, in progress, and done. Sticking the tasks in one column and shifting them to the next is a natural streamlined process, where the team could pull tasks in progress by order or color to indicate priority. A key to success is to limit the work in progress and measure the time a node cycle